everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how I make my green chili paste. So for this recipe you will need 150 grams of green chilies, 100 grams of coriander. I've just taken the thick stalks off and I've just left the thin ones, a quarter cup of water and 3 garlic bulbs which we're going to peel and also add in. The way you need to blend this is by doing it in batches. So you need to take half of the coriander, half of the green chilies and half of the garlic. Put them in the juice machine with a splash of water, blend them until it's into a smooth paste and then add the rest in. So I've finished blending my chili paste together and the consistency isn't too thick and it's not too thin. I did end up using more than a quarter cup of water, so be really careful when blending because you don't want to make it too thin. To store this green chili paste, you can either put them individually into ice cube trays like this. I've chosen an ice cube tray where the cubes are not too big, they're actually on the small side, so you can get quite a lot out of it. And because this chili paste is quite strong, you won't need a whole cube. You're just going to fill my ice cube trays only till this mark over here. I'm not going to fill them all the way to the top, otherwise it will be too strong in the dishes. If you've got any other ideas of how to store green chili paste and any other cooking paste, then let me know in the comments below. So I'm just getting a spoon and just pouring it in slowly, and I'm not filling them all the way to the top because I won't need that much in one go. But if you want to, you can do it according to how much you use. I'm just going to quickly fill up my ice cube trays. Now I'm going to freeze this and then just keep repeating the process and then just store them all in a Ziploc bag, and this will stay in the freezer for quite a long time. You can use this green chili paste in all sorts of recipes and dishes. I am going to be posting a few videos using this green chili paste very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.